Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be completing the Sangeetham of this Geetham, Mohanam, Varaveena as well. So those who have not practiced the swarams, I suggest to watch my previous videos and because then only it will be quite useful for you all, because I am teaching the most easiest way to learn this Geetham. So first practice the swaram and then watch this video, okay, as I said. And those who have not subscribed my channel, do that now itself. So let's complete this lesson. First, let's begin by singing the Arohanam and Avrohanam of this scale. Mo. Right? Then okay, then let's apply the Sangeetham above this one. For the phrase Varaveena, that's the lyric. Varaveena. Then Mridu Pani. Actually that's Vanarugalo Chanarani, but we might lose our breath when we sing that. So first, when we learn, we have to give a cut between that. We have to break the side, okay? Like Vanarugalo, cut Chanarani, but that's not the right way to sing it, okay? So but when we learn this thing, we haven't got no other choice than to break. Vanarugalo. Ri sa da da pa. Vanarugalo. Then Chanarani. Da pa ga. Okay, but we should combine it, okay? And give it a break, otherwise we might die out of breath. In that phrase also we have to break, otherwise we might ga pa dha sa dha suru chira bham, then Varaveena, da pa ga ga re Varaveena. But when we combine that, it will sound like Suru chira bham bhara. There we can break. Vedi. Then Suranuda Kalyani. In that phrase also we need to break. Suranuda. Then give a break. Ga ga da pa. Suranuda. Ga pa ga ga re sa, for that Kalyani. When we phrase it, it will sound like Suranuda Kalyani. Okay, let's move on to the next phrase. Nirupama Shubha Gunalole. Let's go Gunalole. the lyrics like Unalola. But that's not the right thing. Okay, Unalole, that's the correct one. So if you see such a mistake, don't forget to correct it. Okay. So when you phrase it, it will sound like Nirupama Shubha Gunalole. Then Nirata Jaya. I taught, we have got two ways to sing this re, da, in that way, or re, da, just as like. So if we apply in this style, the Sangeetham will sound like Jaya Vani, either in that way or Jaya, Jaya, just as like Jaya. Can sing. Okay. So that's the end of this lesson, Varaveena Geetham. Hope you all like this lesson as well, and keep on practicing, and those who have not yet subscribed this channel, do that now itself for more. So yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye.